No, this is not clickbait. You can now access Seedance 2.0 for free from anywhere. No registration required, and depending on how you use it, this method can feel almost unlimited. And yes, at the time this video is uploaded, it still works. So don't miss these 3 easy steps to try it yourself. But before we dive in, take a look at some videos I created using the free version of Seedance 2.0. They might give you some inspiration.
Can you believe this? We are literally in the middle of a battle right now!
To stay updated on the latest AI tools, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Step 1. Free VPN. Yes, you'll need a VPN to access Seedance 2.0 if you're outside China or Hong Kong. You can use any VPN you prefer, but just a heads up, I don't fully trust most VPN providers, especially free ones. If you use a free VPN, don't log in with your main Gmail account or any account linked to payments. Use a backup Gmail account instead, just to be safe. A trusted paid VPN is generally the safer option. This video is for demonstration purposes only, so I'll be using a free VPN and a backup Gmail account. Please do this at your own risk. In this example, I'll use Urban VPN. First, go to the Urban VPN website and click Download. You can also choose another free VPN from the Chrome Web Store. Click the Options button to open the Chrome menu. Go to Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Free VPN. Pick one with good reviews and click Add to Chrome. Then click the extensions icon in the top right toolbar. Select your VPN app and choose Hong Kong from the country list. Step 2. Access Seedance 2.0 for free. Once you're connected to a Hong Kong IP address, open your browser and go to Doubao.com. Since the site is originally in Chinese, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English or use your browser's built-in translation feature. That's it. You can now start using the AI to generate videos with Seedance 2.0 for free. Each browser profile usually receives 10 free credits, and one video generation requires 2 credits. If you reach the limit, you can try using another browser profile or a different browser such as Brave, Edge, Opera, or Firefox. You can also switch to another VPN server that supports Hong Kong or mainland China if needed. Now let's test it and generate a video. Step 3. Generate your video. To generate a video with Seedance 2.0, start your prompt by clearly stating that you want to create a video, then follow it with your detailed description. Be specific about what you want, such as the scene, style, camera angle, lighting, or motion. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the result will be. If you want to include voice or narration, simply mention it in your prompt as well. Once you're ready, click the Generate button, and Doubao will begin creating your video using Seedance 2.0. After it's finished, you can preview and download the result. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to access Seedance 2.0 for free. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And if you want to compare Seedance 2.0 with Kling 3.0, check out my video about Kling 3.0 here.